Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to sign out of your Apple ID on your Mac. Let's get started. First, open your system setting. You can do this by either clicking the Apple icon in the top left corner and choosing System Settings, or by selecting it directly from your dock at the bottom. Your layout might look slightly different depending on your macOS version, but the steps are pretty much the same. Once you're in Settings, look for your Apple ID account at the top left and click on it. If you're on an older version of macOS, you might see an Overview tab. Click that and scroll to the bottom. For newer versions, just scroll down directly until you see Sign Out at the bottom. Click Sign Out, and you'll be asked if you want to keep a copy of your iCloud data. Choose what you'd like to keep, then hit Continue. Enter your Apple ID password to disable Find My Mac. And after that, confirm your Mac user password to complete the process. Once done, you'll be successfully signed out of your Apple ID. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.